How to delete blog on Wix. The first thing you want to do once on your Wix editor page, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on the third icon from the top that says Pages and Menu. After selecting Pages and Menu, you're going to select Blog Pages. Then from there, I want you to hover over Blog as you can see right here. Then you're going to tap on the three dots. Then you'll tap on Delete. After you have tapped on Delete, you'll see the option Delete Page and App, and you can simply tap on Delete, and that's it. You will be able to delete the blog pages. As you can see right there, they are being deleted. Now, if I were to go back over to the left-hand menu option, you can see that the blog section is no longer on my Wix website. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.